Good day, everybody. How to fix car tire? Always lose air and always kind of low pressure. Like you have to add air every 3-4 days. We're gonna remove the tire and we have to inspect it because there is very small, tiny hole. We put the safety stand jack. Take the tire out. We have to fill this with air. So to fill it to the maximum PSI pressure. It is 32 PSI and check for leak. Okay, so I don't see any leak. Here's the leak. See that? This is probably the worst leak. See that? Very tiny little bit. And that's what making the tire goes always below the, you need to add air every like 3-4 days and so. Look at that. Now we're gonna fix this leak. We need something like that to release the air from the tire. You can always do like that to be safe because this is gonna be safe. So after we release the more pressure of the tire, now it's safe to remove the inner valve, the valve, and you need something like this. Okay, so the good thing to have this tire changer, and this one I got it from Princess Auto. It was on sale for $70, but that's what it does the job for those tires. Now all you need to replace this tire here. Lift up this one, place the tire here, and then put this one like that, and then use this bar, hook it up here. Basically, this is how much I need to get this one out. You can use this little bit to clean it. Okay, that's good. A little bit DW40. A little bit here. This is the same tool we're going to be using to pull the new one. The new one. We need to put it like that. See? And then we have to pull until this locked in. Now, that's it. Good. While you pulling, you twist it a little bit and then you pull. That's how, see? We have to remove this one here. The valve, the inside valve. This one. The tire lubricant. If you don't have a tire lubricant, you can use vegetarian oil. We remove the inside the valve. Now it's time to add quick air inside this, like that. It did not work first time. Try to lift the tire up, push the rim evenly, like that. Then try again. Okay. A little bit in this side, you see that? Oh, good. When you hear that sound, that means the tire is set. It's good. Now it's time to put this back. Okay, be careful, hold it. Tight it, don't tight it too much, you know. Test. 29. So this one takes. Here it says on tire maximum load 750 kilogram, and the maximum pressure, air pressure, it's 44 psi. We need like to put about around 30, 33. 34. 33. Good. Now let's test if there is any leak. Now it's time to test. This is the one we just did. Perfect. No leak. Check the edge, tire rim. No leak. The other way, check this side. No leak. All done. Now it's time to put it back. Now, when we put the car down, we will do the torque for those rim tire bolts, all 5 of them. It is important to torque those bolts at the right. For this 2004 Toyota Sienna, it is 76. Let's do this one first, like that, and then we'll do the torque. 1, 2, 4. Drive safe, do it yourself, watch more videos, and please support our channel. All the best. Hope to see you next time.